Hello everyone, today I am here to tell you all about coronavirus, which is a positive stranded RNA virus with nucleocapsid. So let's start. Coronavirus or COVID-19 started its journey in the Wuhan city of China and is known to be originating from bats. Though it is not confirmed officially if coronavirus has been originating from bats. Did you know MERS-CoV and SARS-CoV, also known as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus, are the ancestors of COVID-19? The official name of coronavirus is SARS-CoV-2. Surprisingly, coronavirus also belongs to a family called Coronaviridae. I think that the favorite hobby of coronavirus is traveling. That is why it has been traveling to many countries like USA, France, Japan, Italy, India and many more, and has completely destroyed those countries. We all are talking about coronavirus, but do we actually know what it is? So let us know. Coronavirus disease, also known as COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus called coronavirus. It was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, and has since spread globally, resulting in an ongoing pandemic. So let us discuss some modes of transmission of coronavirus. COVID-19 spreads mainly by coming in close contact with people, and when we come in close contact with people, the droplets produced as a result of coughing or sneezing of a person infected. For example, me and my friend are standing in front of each other and I don't know, but I am infected with COVID-19. When I sneeze or cough, the droplets from my mouth are released into the air, and when these droplets are taken in by my friend while my friend is breathing, the friend of mine will also be infected by COVID-19. In simple words, we can say that COVID-19 spreads by coming in close contact with person infected. So let us discuss about some preventive measures which we can take in order to protect ourselves from coronavirus. Wash your hands with soap and water regularly or clean them with alcohol-based sanitizers. Maintain at least 1.5 meter of distance with people coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. Stay indoors as possible. Follow social distancing. We all are talking about social distancing these days, but actually no one of us knows what it is. So let us go and know. Social distancing, also called physical distancing, means keeping space between yourself and other people outside your house. It simply means avoiding visit to crowded places. Importance of social distancing. Social distancing is important because COVID-19 spreads from person to person contact. Reducing the ways in which people come in close contact with each others is essential. If during this pandemic situation we will stand beside each other and we will come in close contact, this is not good because COVID-19 spreads from person-person contact and we may get infected. So this is the reason why it is very important to follow social distancing measures. I would recommend you to follow all the social recommendations in your society or community, whether you are in the high risk zones or not. During this lockdown situation, there have been many positive effects on the nature also. Some of them are greener and cleaner environment, better air quality, cleaner rivers, liberated wildlife, increased visibility. If you all see the news, then I think 1 or 2 months ago I saw the news and it was showing that the mountains which had not been visible since many years from Punjab are now visible due to these lockdown situations. So I think lockdown is being proved very good in case of the nature. Remedies against COVID-19. As we all know that we should not go out, we should follow social distancing because it is COVID-19 time. But there are some things which you should follow when you are inside your house also. Due to COVID-19, more than 22.6% of the people in the world have lost their lives, excluding India. Despite of all this, there are many people who have cured themselves from COVID-19. The main remedy for this is nothing but a proper diet and warm water more than 10 times a day. So as you all can see in the picture also of the slide, that hot water is being poured into 1 cup. So it is very essential to drink warm water, otherwise you may catch COVID-19 even if you are staying inside your house. See, because even if you are not going out, but your parents may go out to fetch the important or necessary things, so when they come back, and you should tell them also to drink warm water, and you should also take warm water with them. Structure of COVID-19. Till the time we were just getting know more about COVID-19 externally, but let us know about COVID-19 internally now. So the coronavirus has 4 layers. In the picture you can see the innermost is the genetic material which brings corona the ability to make more copies of itself. When the coronavirus gets into the body of a human, its genetic material helps it to make more copies, thus infecting us. Then comes the protein shell, which provides protection to the genetic material. So, the function of the genetic material is to make more copies. The function of the protein shell is to protect the genetic material. An outer envelope allows corona to infect cells by merging with the cell's outer membrane. In the figure you can see that yellow part which is outside the blue part. That yellow color is nothing but the envelope which merges with the cells and helps corona to infect the cells. The outermost layer or projecting from the envelope are spikes made up of protein. So the outermost part the corona is having are the protein spikes. How it works. Let us know how exactly coronavirus harms us. The coronavirus only attacks the lung cells because the lung cells have ACE2 receptor on their surface. Did you ever think why only the coronavirus attacks on the lung cells? Let me tell you. The coronavirus attacks on the lung cells because the lung cells have ACE2 receptor on their surface. The ACE2 receptor look just like the spike proteins of the virus. What exactly happens is, when the virus comes to the boundary of the lung cells, so the virus spike proteins, they touch the ACE2 receptor. The ACE2 receptor thinks that this is the part of the human's body, and though they allow the virus to go inside the cell, because of that the coronavirus is able to enter inside our body. We can assume that the ACE2 receptor on the surface of the lungs acts as a lock for the spike proteins present on the outer layer of the virus. You can understand it like this. The ACE2 receptor is the lock, and when the spike proteins are attached to it, the spike proteins act like keys. The ACE2 receptor feels that the virus is a part of the body, resulting in no alarm in the body for the immune system. Since there is no alarm for the immune system, it doesn't produce any antibodies against the virus, and the virus gets time to multiply itself. Whenever in our body there is any virus or any bacteria, any harmful thing when enters our body, our immune system gets to know about it. When the immune system gets to know about it, it produces antibodies which can protect us from the virus or any other harmful organism. So that was how it works. Now, I already told you about the preventive measures. Still, we can take a quick recap about that. Wearing mask, wash your hands, stay at home, social distance, maintain karo, cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue or with the bend of your elbow. This point is very important. If you have been watching the news or any videos about coronavirus on the YouTube, you must have seen doctors are prescribing people to put their elbows on their nose when they are coughing or sneezing. So, avoid touching your face, eyes or nose or mouth. You should maintain social distancing by avoiding close contact with sick people. Actually, not sick, all types of people. Disinfect regularly touch objects. For example, my mother is a teacher and she went to school today. After coming back to home, she just kept her laptop like that and her mobile also. She took her laptop and mobile with her. So if by chance the objects have caught coronavirus, then it might spread. To make sure that that doesn't happen, we need to disinfect regularly touched objects. Wash your hands using soap and water. Use alcohol-based sanitizers. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment my channel and this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.